Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to be talking about the use of voice search in publishing. Voice search is using a voice command to search the internet or, more broadly, to direct a voice or digital device to assist someone. Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa, and Cortana may seem to some simply a way to get directions or send a text, but they are rapidly becoming so much more. Voice search has exploded over the past months. The statistics are impressive. According to ComScore, 50% of all searches by 2020 will be done via voice search. Alpine.ai says there are over 1 billion voice searches each month. You may have heard that the Echo Dot was the best-selling product on all of Amazon in the 2017 holiday season. Geomarketing says 42% of people indicate a voice-activated device is essential to their lives. See these and other impressive stats on voice search at the branded3.com article in the notes below. So what does this mean to publishing, let alone scholarly publishing? It may still be in the early days for heavy applications for academic publishing, but preparing is essential. The first thing to do is to think about the readers and the customers and how they might use voice search. Would it be a command to find the content or something else? The best way to understand how it might apply to an organization or a publisher is to use it yourself. Use the phone's search function or purchase a virtual assistant-powered device and experiment. Try to find your website, content, or particular books. Where does the system start to break down, and how can that be addressed? Try using a digital assistant and see how well the device and your content play together. Obviously, the format of your particular content is important. 200-word news articles versus 30-page scholarly articles with heavy math content will have different paths, applications, and results with voice search. Optimizing content for search in general, and eventually for voice search more specifically, is a crucial step. This may seem like a given, but many organizations and publishers still lag behind in accomplishing this all-important task. Using structured data is essential. This endeavor alone will help increase page traffic and earn more views, all the while preparing for further developments in voice search. People are becoming device loyal, and a clear winner between Amazon and Google, and to a lesser degree the others, has not emerged. You should compare your content with all systems, as you will get markedly different results. Ensuring your IT staff, web designers, UX team, etc. all are conversant in staying up to date with voice search is important. Make sure this is on everyone's radar screen. How any efforts translate into revenue is, of course, the major question. For the time being, think of the benefit being better search rankings and increased content served, but this may be part of only a larger benefit in the future. Staying poised for the potential changes is the key. Voice search and voice assistants will undoubtedly have a significant impact on the web and on scholarly content. Well, that's it. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, and individuals on a host of content-related challenges. Reach out to me with your questions. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel or click on the playlist to see more videos from Riverwinds Consulting. And make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much and take care.